Good morning, kids. How are you? Year 3 students. I hope you're doing great. Okay, today we're gonna keep working on actions again for a third day in a row. Okay, so you remember the actions we've been working on the previous days? Yes, jump, 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 or write. This was to write, okay? My name is Ricky. This is to write. I write, okay? Or to another action was to walk, okay? Fede walks. Or watch the TV, yeah, okay? So we've got TV and we've got Fede. So Fede watches the TV and he changes to another channel. Wow! Okay, then we had some more actions like read. Where's my book? So Agnes reads the book. Or there was another action that was to draw. Okay, Ricky draws. I draw. You see my drawing? Beautiful. Okay, and then we worked with the affirmative actions that the verb stays the same, but with he, she, and it, we had to add the letter S to the verb, such as in jumps, or reads, or walks. That was when the action was affirmative. Or then we had to use these two words to make negative actions. We had to use don't and doesn't. Yes, do you remember that? The negative questions were, the negative sentences, sorry, were I don't jump. The affirmative was I jump. The negative you don't jump. Affirmative you jump. And then with the third person of singular, with he, she, and it, in the affirmative sentences here, we had to add the letter S to the verb. I jump, you jump, he jumps, she jumps. And then with the negatives, the verb stays the same. Yes, we didn't have to add the letter S to the verb because what we changed was the auxiliary verb. It was don't and don't with I and you, we and they, and then with the third person of singular when we speak about one girl or one boy or one thing or one animal which is not with us, they are somewhere else, yes, we had to use to make it negative doesn't instead of not. Yes? Okay. So now, today, we're going to work with questions. Okay? How can we make questions using the present simple? I'm going to show you two new words. Yesterday, to make negative actions, we worked with don't and doesn't. Today, we are going to work with the affirmative words of these two. Okay? You wanna know what they are? Sure. These are the words we are looking for to work with questions. We're going to use do or does. Okay? When do we use do and when do we use does? Well, it is exactly the same as these ones, but in affirmative. Okay? So it means that with the subjects he, she, and it, we will use does, and with the rest of the subjects, I, you, we, and they, we use do. Let me show you some examples. Okay, we've got here 4 examples about how to make questions. Yes, remember that with you or they or I or we, you and me, okay, we use do. Okay, do you jump? Do they jump? But if we are talking about one girl, Agnes, or one boy, Fede, okay, we should use does instead of do. You see, they are the other way, yes? The verb here, as with the negatives, the verb stays the same. The verb doesn't change. It's jump, 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 and jump. The subject changes, and when we use he, or it for things or animals, remember, we don't use do. We use does. Does she jump? Does he jump? Does it jump? Jump. Yes, it jumps. Okay. And with the rest of the subjects, we use do. Okay. So now, with this information, okay, we must make clear when we speak about one boy, one girl, one thing, or one animal. Okay. With all this information, I'm going to show you how to work on your homework, on your worksheet. Okay. Give me a second. If we come here, sorry, this is a mess. Alright, here, present simple interrogatives, year 3. Okay, if we come here, we've got the same flowers we had before with affirmative sentences and with negative sentences, but this time we're going to talk about questions. Okay, how to make questions. Remember that in English, we don't open the question, we only close it. Okay, it happens exactly the same in Catalan. Okay, the only language we open the question mark and we close it is in Spanish. Okay, so remember that with he, she, and it, there is something special going on. We must use das, and with the rest of the subjects, I, you, we, and they, okay, we use do. Do you like? Do we like? Do they like? And then with the rest of the subjects, with he, she, and it, we use does. Does she like? Does he like? Does it like? Okay, so with all that information, we're going to work on this. Okay, it says on the exercise, complete these questions using do or does. So you only have to have a look to the subject, to who makes the action, okay, and complete with do or does. Yes, she, we, he, you, he again, and it. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences, and you are going to use 4 times the word does, and only 2 times you're going to use twice the word do. Only twice, 2 times. Okay? Yes? Okay, so with all this information, I hope you know how to make your homework. Yes? Let me go big again. Okay, so I'm waiting for your answers and I wish you have a good Thursday. Bye bye. See you next week.